Algorand cost estimates for the years 2023, 2025, 2030, or so they for the most part thought. We here will give you the 10 years definite cost expectations for Algorand. The Algorand truly has in short order truly acquired commonly extraordinary consideration that crypto financial backers most certainly are interested in looking through the inquiries like really is Algorand a wise speculation, which especially is genuinely huge. Is Algo worth purchasing in 2023, which in a real sense is very critical. What will explicitly be the cost increment for year 2023, 2025, and 2030? How especially high could Algorand at any point go, which generally is genuinely huge? Our aid will provide you with a thought of the Algorand expected development and its cost forecast, all from profound specialized examination to crucial for the most part past cost graphs, which is very critical. Algorand past value investigation, which is genuinely huge. As per the most recent market information, today the cost of Algorand in every practical sense is 23 cents and Algo in a real sense is presently generally positioned number 40 in the whole crypto market incredibly. The core supply of Algo basically is 7,128,881,059 with a market cap of $1,607,067,165, kind of most recent 24 hours, which basically is genuinely critical, with an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap. The Algorand's cost has shown a decent increment of 3.31% as of now, genuinely as opposed to mainstream thinking. From most recent 7 days the Algorand certainly was in very great vertical pattern and expanded by 22.07%. Algo generally has shown areas of strength for extremely potential and this could be decent an open door to dive right in and truly contribute. Inside the essentially most recent 30 days, the cost of Algo in a real sense has been somewhere near CHNAGE%, killing an incredible really normal cost of 5 cents from its sort of current cost. This unexpected descending development implies that the coin truly is in plunge at the present time and it can generally be in every practical sense, great in a real sense purchase a potential open door for speedy venture, or so they thought. The 90 days cost change certainly is around 16.65% and the cost in a real sense circled from a base certainly normal worth of 17 cents to pretty greatest genuinely normal worth of 19 cents in the beyond 90 days, or so they generally thought. Algorand in every practical sense is somewhere near 24.23% with the greatest certainly normal cost of the coin especially was around 31 cents and the all things considered least normal cost of generally was around 29 cents and lovely beyond 4 months, which really is genuinely huge. Algorand value figure for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026 and 2030 we anticipate future Algo cost expectation. Algorand gauges by applying especially profound really fake learning specialized examination on the authentic value information of Algorand. We basically give a valiant effort to for the most part gather greatest verifiable information for the Algo coin which incorporate fundamentally various elements like commonly past value, market cap, volume and genuinely more. In the event that you really are looking to fundamentally put resources into digital currency market, sort of make a point to peruse our expectations, lovely in spite of mainstream thinking in a real sense. Algorand value expectation for 2023 as per our figure. In 2023 the cost of Algorand certainly is supposed to reach at the very least value level of 21 cents, which by and large is very critical. The Algo cost can arrive at a genuinely greatest worth of 24 cents with the very normal exchanging cost of 24 cents incredibly. Algorand value expectation for 2024 according to the estimate cost and specialized examination. In 2024 the cost of Algorand is anticipated to in every way that really matters reach at an in every way that really matters least worth of 33 cents, which in a real sense is genuinely huge. The Algo cost can generally arrive at a genuinely greatest degree of 40 cents with the very normal exchanging cost of 34 cents, which truly is very critical. Algorand value gauge 2025 to 2026 the cost of Algorand in a real sense is for the most part anticipated to in every way that really matters reach at least degree of 49 cents in 2025 in a kind of significant manner. The Algorand cost can explicitly arrive at a by and large most extreme degree of 58 cents with the really normal cost of 51 cents all through 2025. The cost of Algorand essentially is really anticipated to generally reach at any rate level of 71 cents in 2026, which especially is genuinely huge. The Algorand cost can basically arrive at an essentially greatest degree of 86 cents with the typical cost of 73 cents all through 2026. Algo value expectation for 2027 Algorand cost especially is figured to basically arrive at a most reduced degree of $1.03 in 2027, which in a real sense is genuinely critical. According to our discoveries, the ALGO cost could arrive at a genuinely greatest degree of $1.27 with the really normal conjecture cost of $1.07 in an every practical sense, large way. ALGO value expectation for 2028 as per our specialized examination on verifiable value information of ALGO. In 2028, the cost of Algorand sort of is determined to truly be at around a base worth of $1.49 in an every way that really matters, enormous way. The Algorand value worth can for the most part arrive at an especially limit of $1.80 with the by and large normal exchanging worth of $1.53 in USD. Algorand value expectation for 2029. The cost of one Algorand truly is supposed to especially reach at a very least degree of $2.09 in 2029 in a significant manner. The ALGO cost can by and large arrive at an especially greatest degree of 2.61 with the kind of typical cost of $2.16 all through 2029. Or so they generally thought. Algorand value expectation gauge for 2030 according to the estimate and profound specialized examination. In 2030, the cost of Algorand is supposed to explicitly reach at a by and large least value worth of $3.19 incredibly. The ALGO cost can generally arrive at a very greatest value worth of $3.71 with the kind of typical worth of $3.30 incredibly. Algorand value expectation for 2031. The cost of Algorand truly is supposed to reach at the very least worth of $4.82 in 2031 in an unobtrusive manner. The Algorand cost could essentially arrive at a most extreme worth of $5.70 with the typical exchanging cost of $4.98 all through 2031 in an unpretentious manner. Algorand value expectation for 2032. Algorand cost is conjectured to arrive at a kind of the most reduced especially conceivable degree of $7.40 in 2032. According to our discoveries, the ALGO cost could arrive at an in every way that really matters greatest conceivable degree of $8.62 with the for the most part normal figure cost of $7.60. What sort of is the Algorand cost today, which generally is genuinely critical? Today the cost of Algorand generally is 0.23 with the market cap of $1,607,067,165.000, which most certainly is very critical. What will commonly be the ALGO barely the most noteworthy anticipated cost for 2023, which is genuinely critical. The most noteworthy estimated cost for ALGO is supposed to arrive at a greatest worth of 24 cents toward the finish of 2023, or so they in a real sense thought. What will fundamentally be the Algorand essentially the most elevated certainly anticipated cost for 2024. The kind of the greatest gauge cost for ALGO sort of is supposed to in every practical sense arrive at a most extreme worth of 24 cents toward the finish of 2024. How high can Algorand truly go in an unobtrusive way? The extremely normal cost of ALGO could truly reach to 24 cents before the current year's over, which explicitly is very huge. Assuming we gauge the 5-year cost, it fundamentally is assessed that the coin will effectively in a real sense come